Hi, welcome to week 5 of English or grammar, whichever one you want to call it. So, we've been working on all kinds of stuff lately, and this week it's not going to be any different. We are actually going to be working on 3 different skills. So, start the week, you will be finishing up with adverbs. I know you already took the quiz, but I just want to make sure that you understand those because they actually are pretty important words. They're very good describing words. And as we've learned, adverbs describe verbs and adjectives. They will most likely answer the question of how, and they end in ly. After we're done with adverbs, then we're going to be moving into something that kind of sounds like a second language. It's called homonyms. You're probably thinking, I have no idea what a homonym is, but you do. A homonym is a word that can be spelled exactly the same, but have 2 different meanings. For example, and you'll see this in our some of our slides this week, the word wave. Obviously, we know the word wave is this, but also for the word wave is a ripple in the water in the ocean or a lake. They're both spelled the same, WAVE. So, depending on how you read that word in a sentence, you'll be wondering, are we talking about a person waving or are we talking about the wave in the ocean or the lake? The last thing we're going to focus on for the week, and it will take us into next week as well, are plurals. And I know you guys have been working on plurals, and I know that because you have posters on the wall. And I want you to know that although I understand that plurals are tricky, and Ms. Sikowski told me you guys do have trouble with that at times, um, that we will continue to have the posters on the wall here in class. And as you're working throughout the week, I have plenty of pictures of the rules for plurals to help you. So we know when we're talking about plurals, there's 3 different ways we can do it. Sometimes we just add s to the end of the word, and other times we have to add es to the end of the word. And then other times we have to add ies to the end of the word. And it all depends on how your singular or that single meaning of the word um, ends. So, for example, if a word ends in SS or SH or CH, we put in ES. If a word ends in Y, we drop the Y, it goes away, and you add IES. And then if you have just a plain old word like girl, you just put an S. So we will work on those rules throughout the week at any point, whether you're doing adverbs, you're doing homonyms, or you're doing plurals. If you have any questions, any problems, any concerns, use that chat to let me know so that I can help you. Otherwise, keep practicing those grammar skills. They're going to become very important here in the near future because very soon we will be getting into writing. And the better understanding you have of these rules and these concepts, much easier our writing is going to be when we get to that point. So good luck this week. Please use chat if you need me, and I will talk to you soon.